All right, so it's April 8th here in Westchester, Pennsylvania, zone 6B, 7A. And look, I have this beautiful little patch of ramps. This is Allium tricoccum. Now these plants, they're native to the northeastern part of the United States, as well as parts of Canada, and they are a true spring ephemeral. They are only here for a short time. So if you see these beauties growing in your garden, you really want to harvest them before it's too late. Within a couple weeks, they will definitely be gone. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to harvest them, and I'm going to eat them, of course. And there's lots of different ways to enjoy them. If you've never heard of ramps, do a little search. You'll find that they are absolutely prized for their garlicky, oniony flavor, eaten raw, made into pestos, sauteed. But before you do start harvesting, you absolutely want to make sure that what you are going to be harvesting is, of course, ramps. And here you can see the leaves are in this beautiful elliptical shape. And as you can see below, where they emanate from the ground, they normally come in like little, 2 leaves per stem, sometimes 3. Now underneath these are bulbs. And personally, I do not like to harvest the bulbs. I want them to remain in the ground so that they can come back every single year. Now, because they are a bulb, you also do not want to harvest the entirety of a plant. I like to leave at least 50% of a plant intact so that over the next few weeks, before they really do die back, that they can absorb as much sunlight as possible, which will provide those bulbs nutrients so that they can continue to grow in their off season and then produce bulbs, produce more foliage next year. And you can see in this little area, they do create little colonies, little families, little clusters. And so you absolutely want them to proliferate. So it's not a good idea to harvest all of them. I do take note, I am harvesting at my own home. I'm not in a park, a state park, or anything like that. So just be aware if you are considering trying to harvest at a public location. I don't know if there's rules or regulations. I've never looked into it. So I brought out with me a plastic bag as well as some slightly moist paper towels. When you are harvesting them, this is a great way to do so. You're gonna cut this foliage, put it into your paper towel in the bag, and they will stay good in your refrigerator for a couple of days. But like any kind of greens, it's not going to stay good for more than 4 or 5 days. So I kind of just haphazardly take some of the foliage. There's no real rhyme or reason. Some people suggest taking as little as 1 leaf per patch, per clump, and I think that's a little underkill. But when you are harvesting, they have that distinctly oniony, garlicky flavor. Let's take a bite. There's you get hit with a little bit of that oniony garlicky at the beginning, then it becomes sweet, and then at the end you get that raw garlic flavor. Ooh, maybe with some sauteed with some sesame oil and some carrots, a nice little Asian style stir fry could be really nice. And I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm leaving enough, but I've also taken enough. A nice big clump right here. All right, perfect. Now for the fridge. So we're gonna go classic. We're just gonna saute our ramps in some olive oil and then add some salt. Should be simple and delicious. Well, when you saute them, they definitely lose a lot of that pungency. The flavor is nutty, it's sweet, it's really delicious. The next batch I'm definitely gonna use as a salad to retain that oniony, garlicky flavor because it is so delicious. If you have some specific ways that you like to enjoy your ramps, leave it down in the comment section below. Anyways, thanks for joining me here on Plant Vibrations. I'll catch you next time. Ciao.